tu na kan som le tur hi zanina MP candidate zinga chuan Mizoram politics scenario mi khwalo ber experience nga ber ani rin ama sas go som riat le pasari khan chongte biar ni line an contested an lotling to a chuan MLA tam vuinga a chel to a minister hi kum som don alo ni to boka CM office MOS te pon alo to a minister ni line department som don hi anwai an to bokani pu nirupam chakma BJP official candidate somang
pu moderator kako contestant pi lal slamwani lal hilowamar lal retrengat chang te TVC lal wen chunga si lal ron chunga lal rosanga sorry leheta program mang tu supporter te Mizoram mi puite kan MP prai tu te in jabain chunga lom thu ka soi dua zanin hian hei kama MP candidate pangain thu soi tua ato bera ka soi time en hian dar som apel to sia mi tam tak sumbu to in kar hia ke mai speech ka ngai thalo bin ko ngai taken he program hi natu ka nge ni dang nge chua ka ngen tak beon si MPF ina program hey common forum kan contestant atan siam sakhe lomam katia abik takin kema so ta chimlam tangi local aizola public meeting nei thelo atan chuan lomam takani kan MP contestant te hunenge mochen campaign aman tua campaign athuak tua ke ro chuan nat tu katangin ka chuak don choni kan in sang tur hi MP Lok Sabha 17 Lok Sabha ni 16 Lok Sabha chu athiat tua 17 Lok Sabha in sang turania party rang tangte kan independent candidate te thu so ya tangin kalril ru alang chu politics zir fe ngayang an political maturity kha mi puin an clear toa kema mi mal ngai da na chuan politics hi ala zir fe ngayang issue hi zir fe ngayang ram roi tu ani tur chuan zir fe ngai ni subject rang issue rang zirangaya chutata join mani talent kha apply thea India rama MP ni tur chuan Delhi level it is not an easy job. Tiêm tak angai ni. Eng bangin nge Mizoram tangin MP chuti enge mozat chuak. Dr. Silver ache minister ni thei. Midang chu MP ani thei ta ni. Ama sabera ka soidu chu kema personal political experience administrative experience te takin Mizoram mi pui hian min MP min thlang tling chuan minister ni theitur chance kan zawai jinga sang verani ti kha ka soidu a chanchu MP ro po experience de hi cabinet la lutin chu bang chona ni chapo bagane ni lo MP na nge ti the MP chak tak ni tur chuan Delhi a ruling party ni angai treasury bench a thurungai Mizoram rural lakhol assembly apo opposition MLA nge mozat anoma amaro chu tuna MNF ruling party MLA ain an thok thelo opposition ani tunakan MP paruk candidate jinga kei ma chia ka soi the chu kan sarkar don midang chu khatian kan soi the silawa BJP in sarkar don Mizoram Chief Minister po BJP sarkar don tika ring tap chu bang chon enge tenge eng bange BJP MP Mizoram mi po hian thlang tling luwang kan sarkar don to sia pu Modi hu prime minister ni le don sia central sarkar chakna mangin nichina kan ngai thang khan MP kan ni chuan chumi khami ka tiang soi tam tak thei ma se dil tu ai chuan petu mamolo mi kati ke su petu khani thei do na midang te su dil tu hey pu Modi ne na chumi khami min peroti do na ke mani pol te chu pet te tu ani tu na po pet thei tu ani Mizoram tan mamo enge Mizoram ina mamo enge Mizoram why Mizoram is famous for Mizoram is famous for what now Mizoram is famous for on the peaceful state in India. Otherwise, bufa yakanin to del lowa, kalkhok athavok silowa, tui akan into kan dutok pe thei silowa, Kolpeta, self-sufficiency kan nilowa. Mizoram is now famous for only the peaceful state in India. But this is also very big asset. The biggest asset is the peace. Where there is peace, there can be development. Where there is no peace, there cannot be development. Development project like Puhar. During insurgency time, what development took place? But after Mizoram became peaceful, development could have started in big way. But that did not happen. What I feel, you see, kemang aida na chuan, kan peaceful atmosphere he utilize ang ni. Mizoram can be an educational hub because there is peace. Mizoram can be converted into an educational hub throughout India. We send our children to Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Nulepate, and Muthelo. How our children are living there? So many incidents took place. Educational institution of national importance. Kaichon IIT eng bange kan chang thelo wangkati. Indian Institute of Medical Science state danga establishment heichon India sorkari nenge tenge Mizoram thelo wang. It is also right. Educational institution of national importance. College tha, school tha, tam tak kan siam chuan national student foreign student po kan attract thei do na. Our neighboring state Ram tam tak atangin kan attract thei do na. I sincerely want that Mizoram we can convert into an educational hub. India rama literacy, highest literacy tijongan nilo. Highest literate state chugan ni. But that should be converted into an advantage. And this will bring not only give education to our children, it will be a very big industry. Geopolitics kan ngai to ngai lo. Mizoram is bounded by how many kilometers of border? I just read out 400 kilometers with Myanmar, 318 kilometers with Bangladesh. But have we ever imagined what is happening or how the people of our neighbors are living there? If I want to remain peacefully in my home, if my neighbors is in trouble or making some noise, even I cannot sleep peacefully. He will disturb me. Our neighbors in Bangladesh, that immediately Chittagong Hill Track we call, 1947, 97% tribal population. 1947, when independence was India attained independence. Now, Muslim people are overpopulating them. And the tribal people, tribal chutuna, below 50% nito. They are overpopulated. Their land is being grabbed. We talk of Bangladesh. We don't want any Bangladeshi to come here. Mizoram, Bangladesh tangin milo luturin tumagandulo. Masa dulo ringotin. Can we shape ourselves? Subangsun geopolitics kangai tu angai. Assembly apo boy khachu ka soito. Geopolitics chung changa. After 70 years, if Chittagong Hill Tract is overpopulated by the Muslim, the tribal unaute 14 tribal ethnic group Sakmate, Mizote, Bompangte, Midangte, 14 ethnic tribes An mani survival atan an struggle ani. Musulman nen. Ni tinan struggle. Mizoram again insurgency po an siam. Masa peace accord siam tonu akhan. Bangladesh Sorkarian peace accord to implement hadulowa. They are still fighting. Mizoram sakma dulona nasa karya. Sakma dulona cho Bangladesh sakma duloni. Mo. We don't want that Bangladesh sakma should come here. They will not come. They are not interested to come also. Chittagong Hill Tract is a very beautiful place. More beautiful than Mizoram. But if circumstances compel, if Muslims push them up to Mizoram border, sometime they will be compelled to come here in large number. This is an apprehension from me. Kini Ram Fry tu ania politician kania. Amala matlirangai. What is the solution? Enga solution chu. India Sorkarin, Bangladesh Sorkara pressure pek ngai. So that our tribal people can live there. So that they cannot leave their place. So that Muslims cannot capture their land. Kay mani po Mizoram mi hiyan po yangai. Assembly apo bo engam mojat ka soito. Kay mani kan puilo chuan nakina problem siamang. Subangin geopolitics Burma po. Even Burma refuse itu na local make. In our area, bordering area, even our people cannot go to jungle now. Landmine, anda. They face problem. Chubang chuan, sorry, I am not fluent in Mizo, so I have to mix up. Had I studied Mizo from the school, I could have been very, very fluent. But I have to express my views. Mizoram, my very big concern is unemployment. Unemployment is a very big concern. And there is solution. There is solution. But the government of Mizoram, even my government earlier, even today's government do not want to solve it. The just 1 minute. Central government, MP kan isuan, natam takkasiam sakang. Cucu Mizoram thalai te province ka duani. MP an ichuan Central Sarkar ruling party MP an ichuan ke matling lopoin BJP MP tam takling don kan tien tetling lo chuan tu maom lo Mizoram mi puyan setur MNF candidate ling lo chon po Delhi tu maom don lo ke matling lo pon Modi te om don lo om Subangin Mizoram me puine na appeal ka dua. Please elect me and you will see I'll prove myself. Ke ma sakma ni mai the ma se Mizoram tan ka beyani. I can work for the Mizoram. I can challenge that. I appeal your vote. Please elect me. I'll prove that I am more than a Mizo. Jerusalem Musulman ho Makkah kal the chon ha mo subsidy ne nge tenge ke mani subsidy mu thelo bang. One more thing, very last, please allow me. This is a Christian majority state. I am a Buddhist, but I want the highest statue of Jesus Christ to be constructed in Mizoram. Rio de Janeiro NM. Very tall man Jesus Christ statue. Muifang Slanga Jesus Christ statue. Siamila. Kobela Guinness Book of World Records. Sang. It will attack not only tourism. Sorry, I have taken much of time. So it took a time to go, Mama say, Kasoy Manlo Akalome.